threatened him with it, and he was not afraid one bit. And I thought, you're so small! Certainly I could crush you with just one blow of my hammer! Smimir said, no, for I am so agile and so malleable, I'm like a polymer. I'm bendable, stretchable. Your hammer will just bounce right off. Wanting to test out his claim, I hit him with the hammer, and it bounced right back. He rolled in laughter at my attempt. So I tried again, and every time it bounced back. I was unable to harm him, not even one bit. You see the spit coming out of me? It's authentic Viking. So, I decided. Another trade I knew. Being a sailor, I know how to tie a rope. So I decided to bind him. He's a tricky little guy, though, first. Good enough. Once I had him bound, I decided to plunge him into the very cold, icy waters of the Dimmu Borgir in Iceland, a.k.a. liquid nitrogen. This is nitrogen in liquid form, and the heat from Smimir is enough to get it to boil vigorously. You are seeing liquid nitrogen boiling right now, but it's not steam in the sense of being warm like steam water. Liquid nitrogen steam, or nitrogen gas now, is very cold. Liquid nitrogen is at negative 196 degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0. This is minus 196 degrees Celsius.
How does it still stay on?
How is it what?
Still.
Because nitrogen at that temperature is a liquid. Normally it's a gas. Our atmosphere is 78% liquid nitrogen. You're right down at, yeah, fine. Okay. Liquid nitrogen is nitrogen that's so cold at that temperature, that's when it's a liquid. And it boils at negative 196 degrees Celsius. So I plunged him into the depths. Oh. That was unexpected. Look at his fluffy hair, not so fluffy anymore. I'm trying to escape my wrath, but my tongs of Thor might be able to get him back. Maybe.
Just pour them out.
That wouldn't be smart.
Bad.
That's not happening.
Choke your hand in
So instead, I called upon Odin for his help, and Odin said, why don't you just pour it out? And I said, okay! So I poured it out. And I knew that by then he would tell me where the coin was.
Woo! That's awesome. There's just little pop-up.
Don't touch them. And I said, where's my coin? He said, please, no more liquid nitrogen. I will tell you, I trapped it in the pumpkin with Borgir. Realizing now that I knew where it was, I didn't need him anymore, so I called upon Odin one last time. Please give me a force field to protect my students. He said, I don't have a force field. How about this blast shield made out of plexiglass? I said, okay. And then I decided to smite him with my hammer! It did not bounce, as you can see.